Hey everybody.
Hey. This is so stupid.
We're just dancing and you're like, this is stupid. This is really stupid. Okay.
No, look at wow.
Don't be such a tard. Okay,
I'm a hobo, Big Betty.
This is the Kristen and Maggie show.
It is.
I'm Maggie, the girl in the pink.
And I'm Kristen, and whatever color
She's
this
in
is,
the
I
ugly
don't know.
blue. Yeah, you know.
I'm tired.
She's in, yeah. Anyways,
Oh, hang on. We have one more member.
so we were wondering if any hot guys out there would subscribe that they live in Wisconsin.
You know,
Shut up! They live in Wisconsin, so if you live in Wisconsin, subscribe, and yeah, you know, let's have a happy bouncy time for my friend that's
This
single.
is my cat.
But I'm taken, so you know you
Yeah,
can't.
she's getting this.
Mhm.
Sunny.
Yep.
My heart was broken today, but you know, I'll never get over him.
No, she liked this guy, and you know he told her no.
So sad.
So sad.
Yes, it's sad. It really is.
Okay. Anyways, if you guys would like to comment on one of your favorite songs.
So stupid.
Shut up, it's not. Okay, anyways, comment on one of your favorite songs because we will totally give you a song and then we'll upload it and make a video about it. So please subscribe before I die.